I like the idea of having someone local to consult with.
Is that what I think?
I believe the official title is consultant.
Oh, just let me know. She's totally ignoring it. Yeah. Oh yeah, Mahina. What is that? Danger. We just checked in. Wow. What is yours?
Mine is just a pepper beef. Yeah. I tried to make it at home, but didn't work out. I gotta tweak the sauce. So like, you know when you go to Japan?
That's yours.
Couple Lane Shopping Center. A flashlight warning and a high wind watch is in effect. Looking at cloudy skies with numerous showers.
Went to Starbucks to get my fix, and he's all ready to go work. Here's my tribe, coffee drinkers like me. And it's freaking pouring rain. We're going to Don Quixote. Chris have rained out today, so there's no work. Let's see. You would wear that? Brother man, serious. Lift it up.
Oh, 125.
That is so cute. Should we turn on?
Get the auto on the 25.
This is my all-time favorite. This brand here. But I won't buy it now because I can't eat all that by myself. Which one? There's two different packs. The small or the bigger one? That one. I'm gonna get a shot. Oh, it's grabbed from the inside. Here. Ooh, oxtail is my very favorite. But not today. Crab. I'm done with crab for now. Been eating. Ooh, poke. Yes, sir. The mister is checking out the hot foods. They're not ready yet. It's pretty empty. Chow fan, yum. Ooh, fried rice. Look at this. Sushi. It looks good. Half and half. It looks good. No, I'm just looking. Thank you. Ooh, Tegu. All-time favorite. Oh, you found something? Squid, yes sir. Look. Give me calamari. Oh, it looks good. Should I make? Squid. He found in choosing whatever sweet rice he wants to get. I found nori for my rice. So far I got this bag. The coconut milk, salmon, sugar. For my poi, we got our sausage and kimchi. What else? Oh, look. Look what it says. I miss eating the...
10 o'clock.
This is my very favorite and not knowing the price went up. Holy shit, why? The last time I left Hawaii, it was $4 or for something. Now it's $6.49? No, $6.49. One of my favorites here. It's $4.39. This is my favorite too. Look how little get in here. Like that's it. That's it. Like what the? Huh? Poi and kamaboko for my salmon. For my shrimp. We got shrimp. See? Shrimp. Coconut milk. And then we have... Come on. Wafers are my favorite, but I like lemon. Oh, they have taro. They have ube. Check that out. I'm not really into coconuts. They have coffee. Coconut coffee. Interesting. I want to try this because I never tried that yet. This here and the ube. I found my favorite cookies, which is Oreo lemon flavor. But when I look at the price, change of mind. Oh my gosh, why is it so pricey? Try. Got the food court. Just wish this rain will move away a little bit, but it's gonna be a rainy day for today. Happy Aloha Friday. This is what Friday looks like for us. And it will rain till Saturday, which is tomorrow, which sucks. I had plans today, but I'm guessing we're gonna just stay home, chill, because it's kind of dangerous to go out in this rain. Can I even see it? Oh, there it is.
Ship it out, you never come home yet. So what? Fucking shut down, man. A regular job site, shut down. Yeah.
We're looking for a new luggage for senior.
Fell out my wheel, came off.
Yeah. His luggage is very old, so it's time to upgrade. And I got that from TNC and some clothes for my grandbaby. I got a new bag. I'll share it later. We are in Ross. Let's see. Ross.